Play on, player.
Whoa!
Get down with your bad self. Kind of look like the Kool-Aid man with that shirt on, though. Hey, Kool-Aid.
Hey man, you blocking the view.
There
Ah.
you go.
Yeah, let's see that one again, huh? Friend of ours just sent this to us. This dude has just made his debut. Somebody find him and sign him. Come on, man. You want this guy on stage with you. Look at him. He obviously needs employment. Well, looks too young to be employed, but you can make him a star. He can be rich. He can support the whole area. Come on, man. That was some skills. Just see it again. It's mini Michael Jackson, man. Come on. Now, like, see that just, he starts to look silly, right? But see, he's just getting into his groove. See, once he gets his groove in, look at that. Oh! He is a performance artist right there. Man, you done blocked the performance. Alright, thanks for watching, everybody. Like and subscribe. Peace.